Charging your phone without wires sounds like magic, right? Well, it's actually science. Qi, pronounced chi. Wireless charging is the magic behind this tech wizardry. Imagine this, you drop your phone onto a pad and it starts charging, no cables attached. So, how does it work? It all boils down to electromagnetic fields. When you place your phone on a Qi-compatible charger, the charger creates a magnetic field. Your phone's receiver converts that field into electricity, which fuels up your battery. Now, if you're an iPhone user, you've probably heard of MagSafe. MagSafe takes Qi charging and supercharges it, literally. It uses a ring of magnets around the wireless charging coil for perfect alignment. Plus, it allows you to snap on cool accessories like cases and wallets. No more fumbling around to find the sweet spot. So next time you charge your phone wirelessly, you'll know there's some serious science at play. Pretty cool, huh? Stay tuned for more tech insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe.